Okay, now let's start the video. Usually my inventions are pretty funny and useless, but this time I actually want to make something cool. Something so cool, it's literally a life hazard. Like, who does not want to make a life hazard? So without further yapping, let's start. And now, just like every other legal part, the heart of this invention is of course from our very good friend Chuck. Let me just show you the real quick power. This module is actually rated for about 400 kV of voltage. It's a voltage booster, but 400 kV, I don't think that is a real thing. Yeah, it's about 75,000 voltage, not 400 kV, but 75,000 is impressive, man. Now, for actually a blaster, I actually check a lot of these blasters online design. I don't have a 3D printer, but I do have something else. Now, like at this point, I don't know why, but I do have all this junkyard in our room. This is all my brother's junkyard. Let's just look at this one. It is like a way too big. So no. Ooh, it's not in a good shape and like too cartoony. I think this one can do it. If I cut this part, you can like imagine, but nah, it's not in a very good shape. Oh, I think I found it. The trigger's not working, but you know what? It does have a loading mechanism, man, which of course doesn't work. But it's wow, this will work. The trigger's working, and the shape is like, imagine from this side there's like 75,000 voltage.
I'm so evil.
So here we are, back to the drawing board. The first contestant was this one. It looks really cool, but this mechanism doesn't work, and the trigger also doesn't work. But the thing is, if I can fit this thing here, at the end of the day, it all will be really cool and simple like that. But the thing is, battery. I want to change the battery at any time because these modules do take off 5 amps of power, which meaning this 1350 cell will be draining out pretty fast. So if I put this thing over here, the really hand shape is not that cool. But if I put this inside, the projector will get hard enough. What about this? I get this part, but I don't want to really destroy the blaster. I don't think this is gonna cut it. Let's check the other one. The hand shape is really cool and small right now. And after putting the 1850, oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah, this is the one. Let's open it. So yeah, here we are. I opened this thing and it looks like very well made. I can just literally put this thing over here, and now Billy Banka, it's already done. But the thing is the trigger part. Okay, let's put this thing out. We don't need it. Now, in the first place, I really thought I can just use these small buttons and just put one of these over here. But the thing is, it will then be always active. And I cannot put this thing over here because I don't have a 3D printer. Companies, I can review any 3D printer, any. But then I later found another idea. What if I just use a full-size button, but instead just put it right over here, removing the cap. I can literally just place this thing over here and it's work like a charm. Yeah, it will not give you that feeling, but a button under a trigger, that is a real blaster. Now let's talk about the battery thing. I told you that I wanted to place the battery about right over here. So we had to cut this part, and now for cutting there are two options. I could just use this simple old hot knife, that's all, or I could try to use a cutter. I had this old cutter, don't know if it's rusty or not. I guess we will see.
Bruh.
Okay, I just forget that we have to cut this part as well.
Bruh.
So yeah, now this is the button. I'll put it over here, and then from the other piece I'll cut this part. So let's quickly apply some glue. Do not try to do whatever I'm doing. I'm a professional and you are not. Talking about professional, I don't even know how to secure my hands. But ow, ouch, ow. From where am I a professional? I think I have no idea. But that's not the main idea. The main idea is to make anything that is cool. Do not care if it hurts you not. But you should. I don't, but you should. all the main components, and now let's just close it at this point. Where the hell is the spring? Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, even though I wear glasses, I'm still kind of blind. Now here we are. A blast. Look at this, what I made. Oh, it's a viral lollipop gun. Yeah, can I try it?
No, me first.
No, me first. Oh my god, bro, was overacting. Okay, do not try this at home. I'm a professional plasma gun maker, and the thing is, it's not actually that useful if you think about it. But as they say, it's not about success, it's about the journey. Oh, I only sorted 2 wires. That's a journey? Okay, whatever. Is it dangerous? Hell yes. Is it cool? It's a plasma gun, man. The name is cool. But yeah, that's the video. Subscribe or I shoot you.